Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about the top 3 stocks I am buying today. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you get anything in value, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. And you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. We talk about fundamental technical analysis, how to find undervalued stock. We talk about taxes, dividends, REITs. We pretty much talk about it all. And I'll put a link to that down below so you guys can at least check it out. So now, the top 3 stocks I am buying right now. Roll the intro. Let's go. So now over the past week or so, we've had crazy sell-off from the total stock market. And with that sell-off brings opportunity. And a lot of these stocks that I'm going to be talking about are huge tech stocks. So maybe before you guys invest, be diversified in some ETFs or bonds to almost act it as like your defense in your portfolio, because right now the stock market is extremely volatile. So it's always nice to have a base of those ETFs, bonds to act as your defense. So top 3 stocks, here we go. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here that I am going to be buying is Tesla. Now, the reason why I love Tesla is because honestly, people are getting more and more reliable on electric vehicles, and Tesla is the front runner in that sector. And another thing, I don't think a lot of people understand what one more gigafactory means, because Tesla right now is in the works of getting another gigafactory. So this is crazy amounts of power, and Tesla is behind it here. So looking at the stock chart, you guys can see it does have highs here at around $900 here. And then over the past couple of weeks, we've had crazy sell-off and over 32% down from its highs. So right now, why would you not buy this stock? It's like buying this stock, about 6 or 7 months ago. The stock has an upward trend. We're getting really, really strong fundamentals from this. The only thing that is a little concerning is the high price to earnings ratio. But other than that, this company is very, very strong. And a lot of people always like to say, well, Carter, the price to earnings is too high. I understand it, but Amazon had the same thing. When Amazon was $700, their price to earnings was $3,200. Now looking back, you'd have been almost foolish not to buy it. Very similar mindset here with Tesla. Tesla's trading for about $600, price to earnings over $1,000. So it's pretty expensive on the price to earnings side, but from the price point, honestly, it's not too bad. I really think a lot of people do extremely well with this stock with dollar cost averaging, because you can use Tesla's volatility to your advantage. So instead of putting up one lump sum investment, you could have put it in here and then had, this crazy sell-off. But what you would do is you would invest in increments. So maybe you still want to invest $1,000, but you invest, $100 a week over the next 10 weeks or 10 months, whatever that time frame may be, so you get a good average price for your shares. It's a perfect investment strategy, and I obviously believe that Tesla is going to recover here, just a matter of time. And honestly, I would prefer this stock just to keep selling off so I can buy my shares cheaper, because you never want to buy them when they're up in here. And all the people that are saying that Tesla is going to fall back down to 200 or 300, you have no idea. You don't know. You're just guessing. So really, guys, that's pretty much my mindset with Tesla here. The second stock here that I am buying is the one and only Apple. Apple has had a very similar thing that Tesla's had. A beautiful upward trend, hit highs here at 145, sold off all the way down to 121. Right now, this is around 16% off its highs. Why would you not buy Apple? Apple has a market cap over $2 trillion. It has beautiful fundamentals. It gets paid a dividend. On top of that, Tesla is in the works with coming out with an Apple car, so they're getting into another sector. It doesn't make sense. Apple's a perfect long-term investment that you'll never really have to worry about. And honestly, just use Apple's volatility to your advantage, similar to Tesla here. But I am a stronger believer that Apple, you can do a one lump sum investment, not check it for 2, 3, 4 years, and you will have a lot of money and great returns because of the overall demand for Apple here. So Apple, perfect one. Use that volatility to your advantage. It sold off 16%. Why would you not buy it? So now the third and final stock here that I want to talk about is the one and only HD. This is Home Depot. Home Depot, you guys can see it doesn't really move a whole lot, but over the past couple of weeks, we've had a lot of ups and downs, hitting highs here at almost 300. So from the highs here, this stock has sold off quite a bit, over 15% of value. And on top of this, this company pays a way better dividend than Apple and all those other ones. Tesla doesn't even pay one. With this one, you're getting a dividend, you're getting cash flow, and on top of that, this stock has historically outperformed the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and the NASDAQ. So it's a company you really don't have to worry about. And you guys can see the sell-off over the past couple of weeks here. So honestly, it's going to be hitting some support at least $235 to about $250. And with it being right now selling off, I think it's a perfect opportunity to invest. Hold it for the long term, start compounding your money with the dividends. And on top of that, Home Depot's fundamentals are off the charts. They released earnings and they blew their earnings out of the water, which is fantastic. So obviously all those stocks, guys, have beautiful potential. They have a ton of potential, good fundamentals. But now, if that's so you guys just want to invest in just the general market, go SPY. This is an ETF here that tracks the S&P 500. And for everybody saying that you should be worried about this market sell-off, look at this. This is the market sell-off over the past couple of weeks here. So it really has not moved a whole lot here. I really believe it's just a matter of time before we start picking up again. And obviously, you never want to buy when things are overvalued or hitting highs. That doesn't make sense. So use the sell-off to your advantage here. Buy it, hold it, and just start compounding your money, guys. You guys will not regret it. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care. Bang.